is up, YouTube? It's your favorite host, Dutch. And we are back with the brand new Ultimate Gen 2 lineup from Steamulation Hookah. So, let's start with part 1, the unboxing. What? To my right, we have the Ultimate 1, and to my left, we have the Ultimate. Okay, how about we take a look and see what's all included in the box. What I really love from Steamulation is their welcome package. There is nothing else like it. Included is your certificate, exclusive club membership, and last, the manual. And as you can see, everything is detailed with a QR code with easy instructions. Now, another great inclusion with the hookah is the expansion kit. This allows you to use any type of hookah base with your Steamulation hookah stem. Now last, for those who want even more, there's the upgrade set. I highly recommend it. Now here we have the set for the Ultimate 1, and here's the set for the Ultimate. Included, of course, is the QR code for easy instructions, but I will go ahead and demonstrate how to install it. Part 2, installing your upgrade set. Now I'm going to demonstrate here with the Ultimate set. Let's start with the thread adapter. What is it for? The thread adapter is used to thread the cold tray with the upper stem. Next is your molasses catcher. This actually catches most of the tobacco leaves and, of course, the molasses juices from going into the base. So let's install the thread adapter. I'm going to thread it with the molasses catcher. Just screw it on to one side. Then you grab your upper stem and screw it on. Now note, there's little holes here. This can be used to tighten it. Next, you're going to grab your cold tray, and then your cold tray adapter will go on the top. Next, we're going to install your blow-off adjustment adapter. Now, this adapter is used to adjust your purges. All right, so grab your upper stem and then take one of these silicone rings. Then we're going to go ahead and take the blow-off adjustment adapter and put it in there. We're going to grab your lower stem and just screw this in there. And there you go. Now you have your adjustment in there. Last, you just grab your base, push this click system down, put it in there, and it's locked in. Now we're going to add the last part, which is the hose adapters. And they fit in perfectly in there. Part 3, Gen 1 versus Gen 2. As you can see, they both are the same height and the same width. So let's see what's different. Okay, so here we have the stem of the hookah. Now it's broken down into 3 pieces: the upper stem, the heart, and the lower stem. Right away, of course, what you can see different is the logo. You'll see the design is also different. I like this new little design, pops out a little bit. There are some minor design changes on the heart, but the major one, of course, is the purge, where the blowout adjustment adapter can be included. Now here you can see the difference of the hose ports. If we put them in there, you can definitely see the difference. This one disappears and this one still is out. Now for the lower stem, there is just minor changes on the design. Here you can see the design change, and here below. Now, on the stem click system, there is a small change on the Gen 2. Here you can see there is a better grip, so you can just push down easily, push back up. Part 4, features. Now, the Ultimate Hookah represents 7 years of innovation. It is a highly complex design, showcasing pure German engineering. There's like nothing else like it. So, let's dive into some of its features. All right, let me try to break down the heart of this hookah. If you look carefully, you're gonna see 4 purge balls, 4 valve balls, 4 individual valves, like valves. What is this, a BMW? All right, Purge Pro. What does that mean? It means that each individual hose has a purge. Now, airflow control. What is that? If you look carefully, each hose has its own control of airflow. Dual connection system. What is that? It means that you have two ways of connecting your stem with your base. You can use the one that comes with the Steamulation. It actually clicks on. It's called the stem click system. Or if you have your own base, you can use expansion kit, which is these rings. And then you have this ring here and you just install it. And basically you just click it on to any base you have. Advanced diffuser. So if you look carefully, you can see that this diffuser is not like a regular diffuser. It has a lot of holes in it, so it's going to be super smooth when you smoke it. It has a little ball that goes in there, and this prevents the water going up the stem. Tip tube control. Now, if you look carefully, you'll see there's 10 stops that you can actually adjust your lower stem. Now, why would you need that? That's if you're going to use your own base and you want your water levels to be different, you can always do that. This right here is actually an accessory that you can use. It's called the Steamulation Cooling Diffuser. It has the same functions like your regular diffuser that comes with Steamulation. So here you can see that there's the ball in there, has, you know, the holes. But what is this? This is actually a molasses catcher. On top of that, you have this cooling system, which allows you to purge and blow the smoke upwards to cool down your bowl. Now, isn't that crazy? Well, there you have it, folks. The ultimate Gen 2 lineup from Steamulation. I hope this video was informative. I'm going to leave the link below in the description so you can go ahead and order the hookahs. And you can always check me out on Instagram. I'm always there available. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button. And also don't forget to click on that little bell for future notifications. Until next time, it's DMZ TV and we are